Yep.
Drink your milk?
What you do is you download
I love you.
and install Netflix from the
We Shop channel, okay.
Okay.
Huh.
You signed up for the subscription.
You're cute, Andy.
Okay.
He's getting tired. You wanna watch Wall-E, sweetheart?
Cool.
You gonna kick me? You kicking Mama? You're getting static hair. You're getting static hair. I sure love you, kiddo.
Shop channel.
Good shop.
Yes, you can.
What do you buy?
I imagine you could go to things like Amazon, maybe. I don't know.
really?
I'm not sure.
Hi, sweetheart.
You know when we
He's waving.
when we were at
That's so
Lisa's
cute.
house, at least a quarter
Where's your belly
of,
button? There's your
Ryan
belly
would-
button.
Find your belly.
button.
Look at your crazy
Tommy
hair
was too,
sticking
but he's
straight
older,
up.
but he's not going to come and cuddle quite as much. But he did.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you sit down on the
Yeah,
couch. Next thing you know, you got a kid sitting next to you, their head leaning
Yeah.
on you. Aww.
Look at your funny hair.
Robin won't do that.
Yeah, he won't. Riley was like that. I remember that.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I've connection there.
You want to watch Wall-E? Thank you. Oh, thank you for giving that to
Something's
Mama.
wrong with this.
What a good boy.
Is it plugged into the internet?
Well,
Yeah, no.
upstairs.
No, that's
And this one
right.
is connected to
We
that.
don't touch
This
that.
does it just like Janice's.
Oh, it's
Okay, Bubs.
remote.
Let's not go back there, okay, sweetheart?
Okay. I don't understand why it's doing that.
Well, this
Yeah.
question-
Oh, you're so sweet.
Oh, as Erica, unable to connect to the server.
You like that
Please
dog?
wait a moment and try again.
You like that dog?
Hi, good looking.
Yeah, there he is. Yeah. Just for you.
You're cute. That's a dog.
So,
He nods. He's barking.
Oh, is
Yeah, he sees the dog and goes, Hey, good looking.
Does it look like something you'd be interested